Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everyone. Let me introduce my name is Eka Novi Indriyani with name 2222 dengan name 2220201058. Major in electrical engineering. In this video was made to fulfill the final semester exam assignment for the Bahasa Inggris 1 course with Dr. Andes Zul Salifah, MPD, Elektro. Malam ini saya akan mempresentasikan hasil tulisan dan editing teman saya. Dengan saya sendiri, writer, dengan saya sendiri, Eka Novi, editornya Nur Syafiqah. Di sini saya akan membacakan hasil tulisan saya 5W+1H. Question. Number 1. Who was been in charge of telecommunication engineering in the company? Answer. He is a technical telecommunication engineering. 2. Who is responsible for the company equipment and facilities as record? Answer. Telecom engineering. 3. What the telecommunication engineering? Answer. Telecommunication engineering or telecom engineering is engineering discipline that brings together electrical engineering with computer science to enhance telecommunication system. Or what is the uniqueness of telecommunication engineering? Answer. A unique feature of telecommunication engineering is the use of air core cables which require an extensive network of air handling equipment such as compressor, impulse, and regulator. 5. Where do control system engineering network? Answer. To provide a method for customer to have telephone service, high data, and work closely in the political and social fields as well as accounting and project management. 6. Where can the power generation facility be split? Answer. Power generation facilities may be routed through underground facilities, either directly buried or viaducts, or in some cases underwater. 7. Why do need telecommunication engineering? Answer. Because at this time all integrity includes telecommunication technical as a radio signal network, cellular and digital communication system. 8. Why is the contact cross-linking access point preferred? Answer. Because it allows for faster replying time for customer and save telecommunication carrier and signal significant amount of money. 9. When is the right time to the telecommunication engineering? Answer. When designing telecommunication network in its phase 2. 10. When are the area that require secure calculation. Answer answer structural calculator as required when they're drilling under heavy traffic areas such as highway or when attacking the other structure as the brain as a civil engine telecommunication engineering. 11. Who? Who to know if telecommunication engineering is good? Answer technical check such as complex electrical switching system, compressed telephone facilities, and stable fiber optic. 12. How how to cross contact link in the bonding a little basically dedication center for the center of the cable to its destination point. Answer use the factory will be checked directly to its destination point or the small closer collect of terminal where access can also be obtained to the vector indicated. Uh, Verbal sentence 1. The application of the technique quiz by means of the experience of modifications, the reduce exposure to hazard at the source. 2. The practice use sensor and detectors to measure the output performance of the process being controlled. 3. Their process of engineering and documentation generic required are the criteria to this which might be compressed for job expert purpose. 4. OSP engineering of meet with municipalization construction campaigns and others utility campaigns to address their concern and educate them about how the telephone utility work and operators. 5. Design of all new plans to ensure telephone service in clear and chips and data service in clean as well as reliable. 6. The workaround for basic circuit design to static mesh development. 7. Special form of copper cables to keep moisture out and provide a clean signal to the customer. 8. Is the engineering discipline that bring together electrical engineering with computer science to enhance telecommunication system. 9. Construction campaigns and other utility campaigns to address their concerns and education them about how the telecommunication utility work and operation. 10. USP engineering has to secure real estate to place outside facility on such as the essence to place a course connected box on. Nominal sentence. 1. System engineering or automation engineering is a engineering discipline that deals to control system. 2. Elimination is a risk control that is permanent and your company. So 3. To implement as a first property. 3. The goal is to increase safety or reduce the risk of harm. 4. Telecommunication is their first files of engineering which is connected to electronic, civil, structural, and electrical engineering. 5. Is helps people who are costly working in political and social fields as well accounting and project management. 6. Telecom engineering engineers are often expert expert as most engineers are to provide the best solution possible for the lowest cost the company. 7. Telecom engineers are also responsible for overseeing the company's record of equipment and facility asset. If a distributor point this site is used the across connected box in place in strategic location to with a determined distribution area. 9. In the earlier day, the telecom industry massive amounts of cable were placed that were never used or have been replaced by modern technology use of fiber optic cable and digital multiplexing techniques. 10. The CO engineering is also responsible for providing more power clocking and alarm monitoring facilities if the isn't correctly not available to support the new equipment being installed. Active and passive. Number 1. Active. Technical applying engineering is discipline dealing with control system. 2. System engineering of automation engineering is an engineering discipline that deals with control system. Passive. 3. Where control risks the area permanent and your company should try in the implement them as a first property. Active. Or elimination is a risk control that is implement and your company should try to implement as a first property. Passive. 5. Someone when whose goals is to increase safety or reduce of the sky harm. Active. 6. The goal is to increase safety or reduce the risk of them. Passive. 7. Technical apply the techniques, no experiment or modification to reduce absurd to hard and source. Active. 8. The application for this the quit by means of experiment of modification to the reduce explore the hard at her source. Passive. 9. Working sensor and detector the two measure the output performance of the controller processor active. Then the practice use sensor and detector to measure the output performance of the process being controlled passive. And then list of vocabulary. vocabulary. One, secure, pronoun spelling in this bisa lihat sendiri. Meaningnya aman. Two, reduce, mengurangi. Three, address, tempat. Four, educate, didik. Five, plan, tanam. Six, work, kerja. Seven, signal, sinyal. Eight, with, dengan. Nine, provide, menyediakan. Ten, control. And sentence. Simple past tense. Number one, telecom engineering provide the modern communication. Two, telecommunication engineering is a engineering discipline that bring together electrical engineering with computer science to enhance telecommunication system. Simple past tense. Three, telecom engineers were also responsible for overseeing the company's record of equipment and physically asset. Simple past tense. Number four, in the early days of the telecom industry, missing amounts of cable were placed that were ever used or have been replaced by modern technologies such as fiber optic cable and digital multiplexing. Teknik quiz. Past present tense. 5. Telecom engineers are often expert as most engineering are to provide the best solution possible for the low cost the company. Past continuous tense. 6. Telecom engineering are responsible for providing the methods for customer to have telephone and high-speed data. Simple past tense. 7. With the advent of data center internal protocol IP, facility, cellular radio site, and others emerging technology equipment environment within telecommunication network is important than a consistent set for a stable perspectives of or equipment be implement perfect continuous tense. 8. A structural engineering to engineer were responsible for the structural design and placement for racing and base for the equipment to be installed in as well as for the plane to be placed on. Past continuous tense. 9. Telecommunication is this first file of engineering which is connected to electronic. Past perfect tense. 9. Several or other factors must be considered such as registration and safety in installation. Simple past tense. Dan sekian dari presentasi yang sudah saya berikan, hasil writing and edit saya beserta teman saya. Kekurangannya saya mohon maaf. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.